Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. It's Marco. Today's video is about Italian idioms, so let's get straight to the point. The first one we have here is abbiamo fatto 30, facciamo 31. Abbiamo fatto 30, facciamo 31. So, this one means since you've managed to get to that point, you might also take an extra step to reach your goal, because you already went through so much that a small extra effort will be nothing. Literally, it translates as we made 30, we might make 31. The second one, acqua in bocca. Acqua in bocca. This one here, it literally translates as keep the water in the mouth or in your mouth. Anyway, the real meaning, it means keep the secret, alright? Don't say anything, or don't say anything to anyone. A cuore aperto. A cuore aperto. A cuore aperto. This is useful when you're trying to say, hey, I want to be honest with you. Or, honestly, so you say, a cuore aperto, which literally translates as with an open heart, okay? Agire dietro le quinte. Agire dietro le quinte. Whenever you want to use it, you need to conjugate the verb agire, because right now it's in the infinitive form, right? But anyway, this one here means that something or someone is working behind the scenes, so they're trying to do something in a secretive way. A grandi linee. A grandi linee. This one is particularly useful when you trying to describe or you want to say something, but not in a precise way, like more or less, okay? A grandi linee. Allevare una serpe in seno. Allevare una serpe in seno. In this case, the verb allevare is in the infinitive form. So whenever you want to use this idiom, you might want to conjugate the verb, alright? Accordingly. This one means that you're raising a snake. That's the literal meaning. But in reality, whenever you use this idiom, it means you're helping someone, and this person later, in the future, this person won't be nice to you, okay? So they didn't pay you back in a nice way. Alzare la cresta. Alzare la cresta. Remember, in this case you need to conjugate the verb alzare accordingly to the situation, but we use this one when someone is starting to behave in a really proud way, when all of a sudden they're really proud and full of themselves. Alzare le mani. Alzare le mani. It literally translates as raise the hands, but it means that you're having a fight with someone, alright? Anche l'occhio vuole la sua parte. Anche l'occhio vuole la sua parte. So, this idiom literally translates as also the eye wants his part, but right now doesn't make any sense, right? It means that you should also take in consideration the aesthetic side of the things, which is important. Even aesthetics are important. Andare a genio. Even in this one, the verb is in the infinitive form. To andare a genio means to like. You might say, for example, I don't like the new colleague. Il nuovo collega non mi va a genio. I like the new colleague. Il nuovo collega mi va a genio. I really like this new colleague. Mi va a genio. And so, guys, this is the first video about Italian idioms. I hope you've enjoyed. I love you all, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for being here with me. Bye now. Ciao.